Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix internet is very slow after iOS 17 update. And if you're having this trouble, let me directly get into this without wasting time. The first one is all about what you need to do is we just need to make sure the background app refresh should be turned off completely. For this we just need to tap over here in the settings. Now from here keep scrolling down and go to the general over here, tap on general, go for background app refresh. Now as you can see it is turned on, we have to turn this off. For this just tap over here, now go to turn off and completely turn off background app refresh. Now just go back, and once after you just go back to the background app refresh, try this one, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. Even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, we can try with the next one. That is all about. From here you have to navigate to accessibility, tap on the accessibility. There is an option called motion over here, as you can see. Just tap on this one. Make sure there is an option called reduce motion. By default this will be turned off. We have to turn this on. So just go over here and turn on the reduce motion option, and most probably this will also working fine. So even if it's not working, just go back and we have to make few more changes. Just navigate to privacy and security. From here there is an option called location services. Just tap on this one, and as you can see this is turned on. We have to turn this off. Just turn off location and services, which is very important, and once afterwards see whether the internet is still having the issue and not. Even if it's not working fine, you can navigate to the next one. That is just go back and we have to go over here, go to general over here. Now keep scrolling down and get to transfer or reset iPhone. Go for reset over here. There is an option called reset all settings. Just go for reset all settings, and once afterwards, even if the issue is still there, we can try with the next one. That is all about. What we need to do is we just need to do a force restart on your iPhone. To do a force restart, we have to press volume up followed by volume down. We have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo, and this is what you have to do. So these are the possible workaround which can be done when you are having an issue with internet is very slow after iOS 17 update, and how you can fix this up. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.